You are going to love the 2019 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, CD player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.